Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got another super easy songbook, Hit Songs. I love these books because they're very accessible to beginners. As soon as the beginners are finished the first 6-week course that I have, they're ready to start playing some of these songs. They just need a little bit of guidance from me on fingering and help with the chords. These books have a right hand melody with the little alpha notes to help you figure out the notes, and then the left hand is all chords. So I will give you a peek at the table of contents here. You can also look this up online, of course. And then there is ordering information, and then the ISBN on the other side. So I'm excited to show you this one. Let's take a look inside. All right, so we've got the chorus from Adele's Hello. This version is in the key of E minor. The original is in F minor, which is a half step higher. I can see why the editors chose to lower it, because for us pianists, that's a lot of black notes. So the scale that we'll be using is E minor. And that is for the right hand melody, which we're not going to cover in this video, but it's good background to know anyway. So here are the chords in E minor. We've got an E minor in root position, E, G, B, and then we've got a C with the root on top, C, E, G, and then we've got a G with a root in the middle, G, B, D, and then a D in root position, D, F sharp, A. So let me show you those again. We've got E minor, and then you move your thumb up to C, and then your pointer finger is going to take over the G and slide everybody down, G, and then the top finger moves down to D. E minor, C, G, D. The good news is that is the entire chorus. You just have to get some rhythms. We've got 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And it just repeats over and over again. One of the easiest songs in the world. It's great. So let's try this with a little rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got a play-along track that is designed just for you to play along with, because again, the original Adele version, it's not going to work with these chords. They will not be in the same key. So if you want to learn it in the original key, we'll have a separate video for that. Otherwise, have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.